XRP and Stellar partnership will raise XLM $2,000. As the altcoin network develops, many of them come to the fore and thus attract the attention of investors. The Stellar cryptocurrency has also become an exception. Let's test your knowledge and intuition. Write in the comments your forecast of the Stellar price for tomorrow, next week and month. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think Stellar will be able to break through the $1 level in the near future? Write the answers in the comments. In this video, we will look at the dynamics of the price of Stellar. Let's find out the latest news related to this cryptocurrency. We will find out the price forecasts of Stellar in the near future. Technical analysis of Stellar XLM indicates a bearish trend in the next 24 hours, but XML/USD is trading in the daily range of 0.2993 to 0.3057, and the MACD indicator shows bullish signals. Stellar Lumens price analysis shows bearish signs during the 24-hour session with a 1.54% pullback overnight. The bulls were quite struggling to break through the descending channel before they were pushed back to the $0.3602 mark in the last hours of yesterday's trading. The Bollinger Band was broken, and the coin rose to an intraday high of $0.2726 on the daily chart, and then quickly returned to $0.2609. From now on, the market can move in any direction. However, our indicators still show that we will lose money in the next 24 hours. The XLM/USD hourly chart shows that after trading at $0.3191 an hour ago, the price has now fallen to $0.2835. The Bollinger Bands are extremely narrow now, and the short red bars of the MACD histogram indicate that we will have a volatile session today. According to the technical analysis of Stellar XLM, the average price of Stellar Lumen is $0.2564. The average range shows that volatility is evenly distributed on a 24-hour chart. According to CoinMarketCap, on Monday, the total trading volume of XLM cryptocurrency fell by 7.7% to $5.9 billion. This shows that traders are still recovering from a 9.29% gain on the previous day. According to Stellar Lumen price analysis, the probability of an upward breakout is almost zero, but if it happens, the resistance will be at $0.3197 and $0.3390. Since yesterday, several small red stripes have appeared on the MACD histogram, which is a sign of a drop in momentum. The relative strength index has not yet broken below the main support line, a line that avoided additional pressure from sellers during the previous decline. The live Stellar price today is $0.357723 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,139,000,000 US. We update our XLM to USD price in real time. Stellar is down 0.64% in the last 24 hours. The dispute was that Ripple's sale of its XRP token was tantamount to the sale of unregistered securities. In the Fox Business Report, they begin with the situation that developed at the time and the SEC first took action against the fintech company. They note that the case was filed just a few days before the change of power in the commission, which is rare in such matters, since outgoing leaders usually leave such important decisions to the discretion of incoming governments. In addition, IT is curious that instead of making a deal with the SEC, Ripple decided to pursue the case in court. These critical decisions by both sides leave a lot hanging in the balance, which will depend on the outcome of the case. On the one hand, if the SEC prevails, it will mean that the crypto industry will continue to be under the close attention of regulators. Industry representatives are afraid of this, because it will lead to the suppression of innovations, or, even worse, to their withdrawal outside the United States. On the other hand, a Ripple victory would mean that the SEC would cede control of the industry to the much more lenient Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. Their investigation begins with the immediate past of SEC Chairman Jay Clayton. Clayton seriously thought about how to regulate cryptocurrencies. To do this, he initiated enforcement actions against several obvious crypto fraudsters. During his work, Clayton has filed 87 lawsuits related to cryptocurrencies. However, his actions against Ripple still look skeptical, according to the report. For example, the SEC considered that Ethereum and its Ether token, which has a lot in common with XRP, as well as Bitcoin, are not securities. The meaning of the Ether has been strongly disputed by Ripple. Fox Business found out that Bill Hinman, the former director of corporate finance at the SEC, held several meetings in 2017 and 2018 with people associated with Consensus, which, in turn, is closely linked to Ethereum. This was before his now famous speech in which he stated that Ethereum is not a security. Ripple's supporters claim that these meetings could have influenced his decision. Since the start of the case, the price of XRP has struggled to gain a foothold in the market. Shortly after the lawsuit was filed, the price of XRP fell by 70% and since then has not been able to even approach its historical maximum of $3. This prompted XRP holders to join the fight and put forward their arguments against the SEC. The transaction, made just a few hours ago, became one of the largest non-exchange transactions made on the XRP blockchain over the past few months, Whale Alert reports. According to the transaction page, an anonymous whale transferred 150 million XRP coins worth about $150 million from the Binance exchange to an unknown wallet, which now holds 150 million coins. Previously, the same wallet made small, insignificant transactions to various exchanges in the amount of about $20 to $30. The first major transaction has been made. Having received significant funds, the wallet spent about 100,000 coins, transferring them to the Upbit exchange. The purpose of this unusual redistribution of funds remains undisclosed. The price of Ripple does not seem to take into account large funds moving in a market where the price is constantly moving in the same trend. The asset broke a 4-day uptrend, falling below the 98 cents mark. XRP became one of the many victims of the global correction of the cryptocurrency market, which occurred in the market due to the growth of risk reduction trends after the exacerbation of the pandemic around the world. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has supported Ripple in its fight with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, year.Today reports. In a series of recent tweets, Armstrong writes that the company's business seems to be going better than expected. Armstrong stressed that attacks on the crypto industry and harming investors are politically unpopular. Then the head of the largest American stock exchange used Ripple's oft-repeated thesis that the Securities and Exchange Commission harms consumers, not protects them. The irony is that the people they are supposedly protecting are attacking them themselves. Armstrong's tweets inevitably spawned rumors that Coinbase might re-register XRP on its platform. The exchange suspended XRP trading after the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple in January, which caused a sharp drop in prices. Do you think Stellar will be able to rise to $1 in 2022? Write your answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.